Hello students, today we are continuing the next concept in one dimensional diagram, that is multiple bar diagram. Multiple bar diagram. Let's see the problem on this multiple bar diagram. Following is the data showing food grains production in different years. Draw a multiple bar diagram to represent the data. So this is the data they have given. For this we have to draw a diagram of multiple bar diagram. For multiple bar diagram, that is for 2008 we have 3 food grains, that is rice, ragi and wheat, and it is in productions. So that we have to see. For 2008 only we have 3 different components that we have to show in diagrams. Okay, let me draw this one. Okay, this is again production should be comes in y axis, production, that is in tons, it is production in tons, and in y axis it should be food grains, years, in food grains years, that should be comes in y axis. And here 2008, first I will bifurcate this 1 centimeters. After that I will divide. Okay, after that I will draw the graph. First, for 2008, for production also it should be in tons, and have to write the scale for this. And I will start here. The lowest value is 90 and the highest value is 280. So I will take 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. Okay, and for 2008 the production of ragi is 150. So that I will draw, it is 150. Okay, next for 2008 only that ragi is 120. It will comes here. It will be closer to this one only. And in 2008 the wheat, the production of wheat is 200. 200 will comes here. These 3 together will comes under 2008. So this type of diagrams we call it as a multiple bar diagram. For the same year we have more than 1 bars, so that is why it is called as multiple bar diagram. Next, similarly for 2008 I am drawing. See, for 2009 the rice is 90. It will comes here 90. Next, and ragi is 150. Next it is 250. And together this is under 2009. This is together under 2009. Next for 2010 it is rice is 100. Next 140. If you will do this in graph, you will get exact picture. Then is 280. This is for 2010. Say, looking at this, everything will seems to be same. So we have to differentiate the bars according to 3 different food grains. Okay. If I for rice, I will give the shade like this. So in all the years for rice, I will given the same shade. See here. Next, for ragi, I will give another shade. For ragi, we have to give the same shade. Next, for wheat, I should give another shade. You can give whatever shade, whatever design you want. So simply I am showing this to you to understand the concept. After this we have to write the index. Okay. So first I will write the scale for y-axis. In y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 50 tons. And for this first shade, it is index I am writing, this is rice. And next second one shade is like this, and this is ragi. And the third shade is like this is wheat. This is about the index. So now the diagram is completed after writing the index. Next we will move on to another problem. Draw multiple bar diagram. Draw a multiple bar diagram from the following data. So this is religion, population in millions. Is 1971, 1981, 1991. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, others. this is the data whatever they have given. We have to draw multiple bar diagram for this religion wise populations. Okay, first we will draw the, we'll take the graph. For 1971 we have 4 categories. So I'll divide here first. Next, population in millions. And here the population is in millions. The least population is 2.32, and the highest is 82.7. So I'll take 0, 10, 20 like that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is about y-axis and this is about x-axis. And now I should divide. For 1971 the Hindus are 82.7. Here I'll take 82.7. And next Muslims are 11.2 and Christians are 2.6. Others will be 3.5, little bit. Next, for this is about 1971 and for 1981 it is 82.6. Little bit lesser than this one. Next, Muslims are 11.4. Next, Christians are 2.4. Others will be 3.6. Next, for 1991, this is 1981. Next is 1991. Hindus are 82.4. Next, Muslims 11.6. Christians 2.3. Others 3.6. Okay. After drawing this, we have to write the index. We have to give different shades to show how we are differentiating. So for Hindus, I'll give one shade. For all the Hindus column, Hindu population column, I'll give the same shade so that you can easily understand. And for Muslims, this will be like this. Whatever you want, you can give the shape. Simply I have given whatever I want. And here this is, I'll put just a cross for Muslims. And for blank one, I'll write like this. So now I have to write the scale and the index. Scale y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millions. And the index I should write, this shade is Hindu. And next another shade, this is Muslim. And next one is into, it is Christian. And last one is like this, this is others. This is all about the index and the scale for the given multiple bar diagram. Thank you.